Welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about today's video. It is the very first day of 21 days of designer luxury unboxings here on my channel. If you're new here, let me catch you up to speed real quick. What I'm going to be doing instead of Vlogmas for the whole entire month of December 2022 is I am going to be uploading a luxury unboxing video every single day. So you definitely want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel and you have those post notifications turned on, because every single day for the rest of the month, I've got an unboxing for you. Sounds crazy, but it's what I wanted to do. So here we are. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I am going to be unboxing the Balenciaga City Neo bag. I know there's a lot of controversy around Balenciaga right now, and I just want to get this out before we get into the video, really, that I purchased it prior to everything kind of going on. I didn't purchase it directly from Balenciaga, so technically I didn't give them my coins. I did purchase it from Neiman Marcus, and I love my sales associate at Neiman Marcus, so I definitely just wanted to say that I did not buy it directly from Balenciaga. I was not on their website to see those images that we have now all seen on their website. I would not have purchased a bag from a website that had that on the front of it or on the web page. You get what I'm trying to say. So I just want to make that clear. I did not see the advertisements that we have now all seen when I purchased the bag. I bought it in the store at Neiman Marcus, so I didn't see all of that, none of that. Either way, we're here. Now we can get into the bag, right? I got everything out of the way. Now let's get into what I picked up. Original Balenciaga City style was and is still one of my favorite styles of handbags, especially since becoming a mom. I just love the way the crossbody strap is and how big the actual bag is depending on the size that you get. So when they came out with the new design, they ended the classic City style and came out with the City Neo style. At first, I really wasn't a fan. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, I don't really like the shape of it. It's different. They ruined something great. But as time went on, the shape and the style kind of grew on me. And the other day, I happened to be in Neiman Marcus, just kind of browsing around, and my eyes landed on this bag. As always, I will insert a clip of the close-up details of the bag. I will do that right now, and then we will jump back to talking about the whole entire purchase. I absolutely love that they've included both a mirror and a tiny little change purse. Super cute, 2 pockets. The original City bag has just the mirror hanging, so I really love that they've done both on the new bag. You have the front pocket, which I absolutely love. This is probably one of my favorite things about the City bag style from Balenciaga is the front pocket. You have the adjustable long strap. Then inside you get a really nice deep pocket and a lot of room. That's why I absolutely love the City style from Balenciaga. Quick intermission. If I can't edit Brixley out in the back, sorry. One of my favorite details about the new version of the City bag is the little hardware on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about the bottom of your bag, you know, getting any wear. I do have the graffiti City bag, and it does not have those on the bottom, and I really wish it did because I really worry about the bottom of that bag a lot. The color is a beautiful smoke gray. I absolutely love it for winter and fall. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the bag close up and all of its details, then you know what bag we are talking about. So here she is again. I still have not used her yet, but I cannot wait. So when I was in Neiman Marcus, I was just browsing around, looking around, and my eyes were really drawn to the color of this bag, as you guys saw in the close-ups. And I don't know if, I feel like the camera is not really picking up its beauty in this light. I was really drawn to the color of the bag. I don't own any gray bags, surprisingly, and it never even occurred to me that I don't own any gray bags until I saw a gray bag, and I was like, wait, that's kind of like the perfect winter gray to kind of go with everything, and I don't have a gray bag. So I was like, I want her, I need. So the bag itself was at Neiman Marcus for $2,900. However, the day I was there, there was a small sale for, I think for card members. I'm not sure what the sale was exactly, but certain bags were priced off. So this bag I ended up paying $2,100, so it was $800 off, which I felt like was a really good deal because you usually don't find discounts in department stores to include big brands like Balenciaga or things like that. Usually they're excluded from the promotions. So I felt like it was really a good deal to get $800 off. I was going to buy the bag regardless because it wasn't on a sale rack or anything like that. It was kind of just on the Balenciaga wall. I guess Neiman's that day, the sale was like, I think it was exclusive for card holders. I'm not positive. But they didn't really advertise it, so you didn't really know what was on sale. But I love shopping at Neiman Marcus in Garden State Plaza Mall. I love shopping with Victor. So actually, funny backstory, my Balenciaga Graffiti City bag, I actually bought at the same Neiman Marcus in Garden State Plaza literally the day before the world shut down for COVID. Literally, like, that was the last thing I bought before COVID. And that's actually the bag that kind of started my luxury niche here on YouTube. I was doing beauty videos, and then I did a what's in my purse video with that Balenciaga bag, and then everybody was just like, do luxury, and here we are. So that's a little backstory. I can't say it enough that I really fell in love with the color of the bag. Normally I go for like the design of the bag or something particular about the bag. I'm a big City bag fan. I'm a big City bag fan in general, and I was a little hesitant of the new style. You guys, one of like the major differences between the City Neo bag and the classic City bag is the shape. So you guys can see this kind of has, I don't know what you would call this shape, but it's not a full rectangle. And then super roomy. I love how much fits inside of the Balenciaga City bag. I have 4 different of the original classic City style from Balenciaga, and I was super hesitant about the new style. I just thought the shape was kind of weird. I didn't know it was going to fall the same, but when I saw the color, I knew I had to have it because, like I said, I don't have a gray bag. You would think that's something that I have, and I really love gray for the winter months. Looks really great in the snow, so it was the perfect pickup. And surprisingly, it was on sale. Even just $800-900 off is still a really big deal to me when it's designer items, because normally you don't see those kind of things. I mentioned this in the close-ups, but I absolutely love that with the new style you get a mirror as well as a little coin purse. So on the original classic city bags, you just get the mirror. So I love that there's the little coin purse option as well. I really love it. I know I say in every single video I'm so glad I picked it up, but I definitely am very glad I picked it up in light of all of the Balenciaga drama that's going on. It's a beautiful purse, beautiful color. Like I said, I didn't buy it directly from Balenciaga. I didn't buy it from their website. I was not privy to the scandal when I purchased the bag. Another feature that I love on the new style is the bottom has the hardwares to rest your bag. If you've seen my style of graffiti city bag from Balenciaga, if I remember, I will throw in an image somewhere here. But the bottom of the bag does say Balenciaga, and it doesn't have bag rests. So I'm always worried about the bottom of the bag getting damaged. So I love that on the City Neo bag, they did put little bag rests at the bottom to protect the bottom of your bag. I absolutely love that. I love that they paid attention to detail. I'm really not crazy about the textured hardware. All of my other city bags have just the plain, either gold or chrome. I guess you would call it chrome. I don't know if it's steel. I'm not sure what it is. Hardware, but this one has the textured hardware, so it was a little different. But I absolutely love the color. The color is what drew it to me, and just being that I already know I love this style of bag as a mom, made it that much more of a want for me. And then it was on sale, so it was like a win-win. I had to get it. I couldn't leave it in the store. And I say this all the time, but the best bags, in my opinion, for my mom style is the Louis Vuitton bum bag and the Balenciaga city bags. I don't know, the straps, everything about them just makes my life as a mom a breeze. So all my other bags have been getting rest while I've been running up my mom bag. So I definitely needed a new mom bag, and this is perfect. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. If you did, make sure you're leaving a thumbs up down below. And don't forget to make sure you're subscribed and turning your post notifications on, because every day for the rest of the month of December, I have a luxury designer unboxing, and you're not going to want to miss it. Especially if you enjoyed this video, I know you're going to enjoy what I have coming for the rest of the month. So make sure you're subscribed with your post notifications turned on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.